Okay, so we're going over Marco Island Bridge and it's getting really windy out here. We just had a mega rainstorm. It absolutely poured down a few seconds ago. Ugh. Let's have a look out this window. They took the flag down. The flag's gone. No. Lane. All right, so we are on. What road are we on?
Bald Eagle.
Bald Eagle. We're on Bald Eagle, and we are absolutely flooded right here. Oh my God. The roads are really treacherous. Wow. Yeah, we've got a lot of flooding on Marco Island. All the lights are out as well. They're all just flashing red. So it's got to be a four-way stop. Here comes some more flooding. Wow. Not too bad. Oh, more flooding. Here we go. Okay, so we're just going to be going on to Heathwood next. Let's see what it's like down Heathwood. Oh, another big puddle here. Alright, let's go straight on Heathwood. Alright, we're on Heathwood. Yep, there's the first puddle. The swales are absolutely full. The swales is that bit of grass in between the road and the sidewalk. They are absolutely full, like little ponds. This is really flooded. Wow. Doesn't take much rain to flood Marco Island. Okay, so we've just gone past Mackle Park and the dog park, and it's wow, and it's really treacherous. Turn right here onto Winterberry, and it's pouring down again.
A lot of water right here.
A lot of water.
Oh,
look at it down there.
Oh dear, I don't like this. Right there.
I know. What's that guy doing there? Guy's fishing.
Did you see that freaking house?
No.
Look to the left.
Huh?
Look at how the tide is so high.
Oh, the tide.
It's up to the boat dock. Look to the right.
I don't see any destruction though. No damage.
A lot of water.
Oh, look at this.
Oh boy.
Look at this one.
A lot of water in the roads.
Yeah, it sort of rains really hard for a few minutes and it stops, and it rains again and it stops. Seem to be getting more rain now, more often. Oh, here comes a big puddle. Can't avoid this one. Wow. Yeah. And go left at the end of this road towards the South Beach entrance. We're probably not going to go on the beach. I did that yesterday for you guys. Not doing it again. Yeah, look at those trees blowing in the wind. Alright, look at that car. It's almost sinking in there. It's unavoidable. You have to go through it.
I'm going there.
You are.
No, I'm not.
You are going through there.
Right. I don't like it.
My wife doesn't like it. She's like, no, I don't want to go through the puddles. It's the puddles that make the video. Nobody wants to see you avoiding puddles. Actually, you can't avoid them because it goes right across the road.
Wow.
This is
bad here.
This is worse than last time. Look at this.
Wow, that's deep.
My wife's getting all freaked out.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. You might want to turn around here, go back over the.
Turn here?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I don't want to go through that. I saw that water.
You're gonna have to go through it. There's no way around it.
Yes, there is.
Oh dear. It's like a comedy sketch, isn't it? Oh, look at this.
Oh my god. It's gonna ruin your car.
It's not gonna ruin my car. So there you have it. Marco Island streets are pretty
full.
flooded.
Pretty full.
Oh, look at this one. This is really deep.
Oh dear. There's no way I'm staying to the right. Oh dear. That's deep.
Look at that.
Oh god. What are you gonna do if your car stalls?
Keep going. Oh dear. That's a lot of water.
That's a lot of water.
Wow. All right, let's go home.
Yay.
All right, that's it for this video. Please make sure you're subscribing to the channel. We're almost at 700 subscribers. All right, see you later.
Safe.